You dream of making $10,000 a month, retire your parents, make that perfect athletic body, talking to 50 girls. But do you know one fact? You will never make any of those things. It's painful to hear that, but the sooner you accept this, the better it will be. You can't be successful just by avoiding the work, by saying I'll do it tomorrow or I'll do it later. Dude, if you really want all those things, then why do you avoid the things you have to do? Wait, do me a favor. Whenever you feel like not doing this stuff, just write it on a paper. Then you'll understand it. Your brain gives some weird ass reason just to avoid the work for later. Don't you understand a simple little thing? You avoid the work just like the rest of the people and you expect to get all those things. How does that even make sense? It's like not studying for a test, then getting low grades, then crying for it. That's the point of becoming successful. It's hard and that's why it's rewarding. If it was easy to get an aesthetic body or making $10,000 a month, then do you think that there would be any value for those things? Now I'm going to tell the real reason why you're not going to be successful, and you have to hear this. Don't be a guy commenting he's demotivating us and all that. I'm telling you just so you could improve. Because right now, I don't think you're old enough to be identified as successful or unsuccessful. Reason number one why you'll never be successful is that you want to make $10,000 a month and you also want an aesthetic body, the perfect grades and many girlfriends. Don't you understand that all these requires different types of actions? For making money, you have to go get some skills. For an aesthetic body, you have to go to the gym. For perfect grades, you have to study. And for girlfriend, you have to become confident and social. So basically, you have to become perfect at every aspect. Do you think that it's easy to be good at everything? You can't even properly focus on one little thing. How can you expect yourself to be perfect at everything? Don't aim to become perfect. Aim to become better. You don't have to focus on all those things. Because if you focus on all those, then you can't even achieve one. Set your priorities. For example, maybe your first priority is getting perfect grades, then second priority is making an aesthetic body. Now since you have just two goals, you have a clear direction. Now make plan for that, like making a workout routine or a diet plan and creating a study routine. Now you have the mind, you have the body, you have the plan, you just have to execute it and take actions on it. Now some people will say that if I'll focus on these two only, then how I will get girls and how I will earn money and retire my parents. See, you can get the other goals when your primary goals are completed. And I'm not saying that make your primary goal getting best grade. It can be making $10,000 a month, but many people watching this are young men, so that's why I gave it as example. But when your primary goals are completed, you can focus on other goals. If you take step on 4 boards at a time, then you'll not go anywhere and your legs are not wide enough to be placed on 4 boards. But if you place your feet on 2 boards, you can go further and further and further and eventually become successful. Come on, it's not even that hard. The second reason why most people will not be successful is because you just don't take actions. You have the materials, you have the knowledge, you know that it's going to be hard, then what is stopping you? There are many methods you can use to stop procrastination, like 3-2-1 method, and if you don't feel like doing the stuff, then just count from 3 to 1, then quickly start working. Pomodoro technique is also a great solution, like work for 25 minutes, then rest for 5 minutes. You just have to reach the flow state, then those 25 minutes will feel like seconds. Procrastination is a really different stuff, like imagine procrastination as levels. For those whose level is 5 to 10, then these technique can work for them, but for some people, any technique will not work. I'm not demotivating you, but there's a stage in procrastination when you will just not do the work, and it's really tough to get out of this stage. For them, the best advice is not to use their phone for 1 day. Come on, it's just 1 day, it's not even that hard. Due to this, you'll get bored and eventually you will do the work required. This will help to get in the flow state, and yeah, that work requires phone, then just use something else like a computer or take your mom's phone just for 1 day. It will not break the habit of using phone, but it will help you get in that flow state. And yeah, after that you can use methods I told before. I know it's hard, but if it was easy, then it wouldn't be rewarding. This is pretty ironic. You want to be successful, but you don't want to go outside your comfort zone. I mean, I don't have to explain this. Like, see, your comfort zone is watching reels, watching movie and eating snacks, and you talk to just one friend. Like, that's a pretty shit life, to be honest. Life is a definition of ups and downs, and if you just stay in your comfort zone, then your life will be constant. Do you like constant? Don't you want your life to be better? See, the best way getting outside your comfort zone is being more social and doing some random stuff which you usually don't do. Like one day try doing 1000 push-ups, some day do handshake with 10 random people at the school. There are many things which you can do to get outside your comfort zone. Now you will say that what if my primary goal is not getting more social? Dude, are you crazy? Being social is not a goal. It's just normal. Stop making everything a task. For being social, you just have to talk to more people. I'm not telling you to get a girlfriend. Just be more social. And it should not be considered as a goal. Like, come on, dude. Stop making everything a difficult task. Some things are just really part of life, like talking to people. Now you'll say, what will I talk? What if they think I'm weird? You all go to the same school. Many people have the same interests. So just talk, and yeah, it would be pretty awkward, I'm sure, but that's how you learn. You can't just watch a video and learn the skills. You have to try it yourself, and yeah, nobody's gonna think you're weird. Like, come on, they have their own life, and even if they think, who cares? Like, they are also young like you, and most of the guys who judge are really stupid. And yeah, soon I'll be making a video on how to dominate high school. Like, in that video, trust me. If you just took the steps which I will tell, then trust me, bro, nobody can do anything to you in high school. And it's a pretty great video, so consider subscribing to this channel. See, the solution is pretty simple, but it's hard. You know the plan, you know what you have to do. You have your primary goals, you know what you have to do to achieve those goals. So just take actions and you will become successful.